So back to my channel. We're here with Duran again.
Hi.
And hey Duran, say hi.
Hi.
So another Mets fan, and please remember to like and subscribe before we get into it, and tap that bell. Keep those notifications on so we can continue to give you some great stuff. So we're here at the Connecticut BBQ Festival in Bethlehem, Connecticut, and Duran is looking for what? What are you looking for? Brisket?
We thought there would be some brisket here, but apparently not. There is best pulled pork, best ribs, best sausage, and most creative. So we'll see what each one of these things has.
Well, at least we got a nice day today.
Yeah, we got a nice day, and Bacon Man.
Yeah, we got a picture with Bacon Man back there. So let's see what we can find around here. Holy smokes. It's not like holy smokes. We're in Connecticut, but it feels like Texas, doesn't it? I think we might just go to the place with the shortest line, because these lines are really long here. Beef jerky. Yeah, we got to find a beer at least over here. Maybe the lines for that won't be as long, but probably not. It probably will be long. There's Backyard Smokers. Let's check them out. Well, it is pretty big. At least it's not like Duran said he went to a barbecue festival in Long Island, and it was just in a parking lot, a little tiny nothing. So this one seems to have a lot of people. We got chompers, crunchy balls of goodness. Chompers. Line for chompers. Here, your favorite to run, poutine. So we're gonna try and post this video now. So if anybody wants to go, they'll get it in time. Because wait, actually.
Hey, look, you can even find poutine in
yeah, this is like a Canadian favorite, but now they have it in Connecticut. Poutine. Huh. I don't know if I want to stand on a big line for that, for a Connecticut poutine, because we had the real thing in Connecticut, in Canada. Sorry. Cannolis. I never thought of cannolis in a barbecue, but hey, we'll have to check out. Since we can't go to Memphis, we might as well check out the line for the Memphis barbecue. Get a taste of Elvis in every bite. O'Dean's barbecue. So they have brisket sandwich, it says.
They have a brisket sandwich. Sampler, 2
Sampler, 2-part pork salad, brisket sandwich. You think that's good?
Yeah, well, they have the combo.
Combo is, what is the combo?
I guess it's
everything? All right. You want to try it?
Yeah, we'll try it.
Or do you want to walk around first? Just
you want to walk around? See
nah.
everything.
Well, I don't care. We could get it. I just, you know what? I want to find out where the drinks. Like, could you get a drink over here?
I think so. There's got to be a place that has it.
Hold on a second. Let's go. Like when you get up here, I wonder if they have drinks.
Well, okay.
I think they have. They do have drinks,
They do
right?
have drinks, yeah.
All right. So at least we don't have to go on 2 lines for them, right? Unless you. But I don't know if they have beer. Well, they probably have beer, right?
They should.
Very.
Understand that has.
Yeah. All right. Whatever. At least we could get something over here. So very indecisive over here, but we did decide on one thing. We are gonna get we are gonna get.
We have to wait. We're gonna have to, no matter what we go on, we'll have to wait.
Yeah, but you know what? We'll go for the Memphis. Is this the same place though? It is, right? Two. See, those people have a right. They got like these ices so they could eat it while they're on the line. Holy crap! Is this still the line? This is still the line for the place? Oh, God. Yeah, this line is incredibly long. What? One line, one on the other? Alright. Alright. Actually, wait a minute. What? This line is shorter. Excuse me, sorry. Why is this line shorter?
I think it's for something else. I think this is for something else.
A lot of indecisiveness here.
Back here.
You think so? Here, let me...
This line is for something else.
For the Memphis barbecue?
That all the way in the back.
So what's the difference between this line and that one? Like this line's shorter.
When I was here, this particular line they had credit cards, and then I think this might be like
This is just cash?
I think so.
Okay, thank you.
They don't have the backup to support it, and they're not getting the right information. More, well, this kid's allergic to this now or that or whatever. It has to do with like eating whole foods. Where you have to chew on it, like adults do.